Another common question we get here at the service department is how to remove an odor from a refrigerator. And a lot of people complain, well, I have an odor between the freezer and the refrigerator, or it's more predominant in one or the other. You say the problem being is you are sharing the air between the refrigerator and the freezer. So obviously the first thing you want to do is make sure all containers are sealed tight and all bags are sealed shut before you place them inside the refrigerator. Anything open is allowing that odor from that container to transport both between the refrigerator and the freezer. And that can easily permeate everything, including your ice, giving you bad quality ice too. One of the easiest ways to eliminate odors is obviously first make sure that the container is sealed and all containers are covered. So you say getting rid of the odor to begin with is the easiest and best way. The next way though, once that odor gets into it, is obviously take everything out of the refrigerator and freezer, obviously throw anything that's bad away, and go ahead and clean the refrigerator out. A nice solution of baking soda and water, or bleach and water, a mild solution of that, works really good. Detergent and water works also, but usually doesn't mask that odor. Using bleach seems to be the easiest and best method to get rid of the odor altogether. If you're still having an odor problem afterwards, a small flat container of a bowl or even some tin foil, just fold it up and spread some baking soda out. Leave that inside your refrigerator for a couple days. The more surface area the baking soda has, the more odors it can absorb. So if you're still having a problem after that, it's probably a pretty bad odor. The refrigerator might have been off, something might have spoiled, something really nasty. You're gonna have to go a little more drastic. Obviously, after the bleach solution, if the odor's still there, you're gonna have to have everything out of the refrigerator for the next couple methods, but activated charcoal or fresh coffee grounds left into a large container in the shelf area for a few days should get rid of the odors. If that doesn't, the last method you can try is going to be crumpled up newspaper, just sprinkled or spritzed with water from a bottle, and then you're going to have to leave that one for at least a week. You can always try an odor sponge that is commercially sold on the market. We've had mixed expressions whether or not people like those or not and how well they're working. So really the solution's up to you, but you want to try a couple of those different methods. That should work for you. If you're still having an odor problem after that, you might have to have a technician come out and they might have to disassemble some parts to see where that odor's actually in. Something might have got somewhere that you really don't want it to be. If you have any more questions along these lines, please give us a call at the service department, 464-8277.